Hi, this is Dave.
I'm Barbara.
From Hiking with Dave and Barbara. You can catch our blog www.hikingwithdave.co.uk or .com. Our YouTube channel, Hiking with Dave and Barbara. This is probably one of the best settings we've seen for a long time to do our introduction. We are in Bergen, Norway, and the sun is out. It's 8:30 in the morning, and we've just come up the funicular, the Floyen, to this viewpoint, and we're going to do a 4 or 5 mile walk, we think, from the top. Anything to add on this one, Barbara?
Yeah, looking forward to our day in Bergen, thank you. Yeah, it's got a couple of old museums to visit as well, and maybe an English walking tour, but we fancy doing a walk first because we are hikers. Hiking with Dave and Barbara.
Okay, shall we go?
Beautiful, beautiful day it looks like today though in Norway. Okay.
We are lucky. Let's go.
Bye-bye.
Wow, what a fantastic day we've had in Bergen, Norway. This morning we got up early, 8:30 we took the funicular to Mount Floyen and went for a lovely walk above Mount Floyen. The views from up there are absolutely stunning of the city or large town of Bergen. Do you want to add anything to this one, Barbara?
We then walked down from the mountain, and then we'd previously booked, the day before, we'd booked a walking tour through Guru Travels, and that was absolutely superb. 2.5 hours with such an informative guide called Ivan, with about 25 other people, talking all about the whole history of Norway and Bergen, and we learnt so much on his trip. Then he left us in the old site of Bergen, and that was superb as well. So I would recommend a day or a couple of days in Bergen. Today was exceptionally hot. It was the end of August in Norway, and you wouldn't believe how warm it was. So come prepared for all weathers, but lovely city. Anything else to add, Dave?
No, I think we've had a fantastic time in our short stay we've actually had in Norway. Should we head off?
Yep, see you on the next trip.
Bye-bye.
Bye.